Nearly 2 million jobs in the UK use physics skills, and yet 70% of students taking A-level physics are drawn from just 30% of schools. And this is in a landscape where we have a shortage of around 4,000 in-field physics teachers. Data shows that students from disadvantaged and underrepresented groups are awarded proportionally fewer top grades at A-level, and this presents a barrier to them entering competitive universities. So to address these issues, in 2013, I co-founded the project Eyes at Physics to level the playing field for students with any form of disadvantage to enable them access to top universities by providing top quality resources for students and for their schools. Then in 2021, we added a focused initiative called STEM Smart. This is a free 16-month programme to provide additional weekly homework and tuition for any student that's experienced any form of educational disadvantage. STEM Smart provides weekly homework and live tuition in maths, further maths, physics, chemistry, biology and computer science, alongside fortnightly mentoring with Cambridge students and the opportunity to attend a 4-day residential in Cambridge.
The STEM Smart programme is really important, and I think it should be available to as many students as possible. And there are a lot of schools now after COVID that have really suffered from teacher shortages, especially for subjects such as physics, where specialist teachers may not be available. I think the STEM Smart programme offers an opportunity for students to get that more specialised support.
The STEM Smart programme for me has meant that Cambridge isn't something that's unattainable, it's something that's within my reach.
STEM Smart was the first time I'd ever been to Cambridge on the residential, and I hadn't really been considering it beforehand, and that made me realise that I wanted to come here and that natural sciences was a course that would let me continue doing all of the subjects that I'd enjoyed so far.
During the residential I stayed at Churchill College, and we spent every day going to Cavendish Laboratory to work with other 300 students on the STEM Smart course. And this was useful because you work together, you're able to bounce ideas off of each other. And being in Cambridge was useful because I could really see the town, I could get used to it and see myself living there.
As a Cambridge student, I took part in the mentoring sessions as a mentor, so I've sort of been through that process on both sides. And that was quite a nice process in a way, because it felt like I was able to give back to the programme and help students like I'd been helped previously.
Year on year, we're seeing increased demand for the programme. The evidence is clear that young people really value this opportunity, and it's having an impact on their future. Can you help us to sustain STEM Smart and invest in the STEM leaders of the future?